Hey everyone, and welcome to Zero Fat TV Think Different. In today's video, we'll explore the exciting world of augmented reality, AR, and how it's revolutionizing science education. Get ready to discover how AR is making abstract concepts more accessible, engaging, and interactive for learners of all ages. What is augmented reality? Before we dive into the applications of AR in science, let's quickly define what augmented reality is. AR is a technology that overlays digital information onto the real world, creating a composite view that enhances the user's perception of reality. Unlike virtual reality, which completely immerses the user in a digital environment, AR allows users to interact with digital elements while still being aware of their real-world surroundings. AR in science education. Now let's talk about how AR is transforming science education. By using AR apps and tools, students can visualize complex scientific concepts in 3D, making them easier to understand and remember. For example, AR can be used to create interactive models of molecules, cells, and organs, allowing students to explore their structures and functions in a hands-on way. Real-world examples. Let's look at some real-world examples of AR in science education. One popular AR app is Elements 4D, which allows students to interact with 3D models of chemical elements and observe their reactions when combined. Another example is the AR Circuits app, which helps students learn about electrical circuits by letting them build and test virtual circuits in real time. The future of AR in sciences. As AR technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative applications in science education. From virtual lab simulations to immersive field trips, the possibilities are endless. By embracing AR, educators can create more engaging and effective learning experiences that prepare students for the challenges of the 21st century. In summary, augmented reality is a game changer for science education. By bringing abstract concepts to life through interactive 3D visualizations, AR is making science more accessible, engaging, and memorable for students. As we've seen from real-world examples like Elements 4D and AR circuits, AR has the potential to transform the way we teach and learn science. As technology continues to evolve, we can look forward to an exciting future where AR plays an increasingly important role in science education.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe.
Believe you can, and you're halfway there. Benny B. From PCE.